Hello everyone, welcome to Mastery. It's Rosario's Academy. During our previous discussion, we have discussed about how to rectify the errors before preparing the trial balance as well as during the preparation of trial balance. For both the cases, the treatment is going to be the same. I just want to recollect a few things. If it's a single-sided error, we need not to give any journal entry, rather we have to give the explanatory note, isn't it? Suppose if it is two-sided error, we have to give the journal entry for the rectification. When it comes to the second part, that is after preparing the trial balance, before preparing the final account, as well as after preparing the trial balance and after preparing the final account also, what would be the treatment for the rectification? This is what we're going to discuss here in this video. Let us have the first case. After preparing the trial balance, what will happen? The difference amount is transferred to the suspense account, isn't it? Temporarily, in order to balance the trial balance, in order to prepare the final account, normally what the accountant does is he just transfers the difference amount to the suspense account, that is temporary imaginary account, isn't it? So if it is single-sided error, how to treat this after preparing the trial balance? If it is single-sided error also, we have to give the journal entry, unlike before preparing the trial balance. Normally, before preparing the trial balance, what we normally do? We just give the explanatory note, isn't it? So here, since he has transferred that difference amount to the suspense account, we need to give the journal entry. Then only suspense account amount is released, is neutralized. Okay, let us have the same example. Purchase book is overcast by 100 rupees. So here the treatment would be, purchase book always shows the debit balance. So in order to reduce the overcasting, we have to credit the purchase, isn't it? So that amount here we have transferred to the suspense account. So the entry would be suspense account debtor, that is 100 rupees, because that difference amount we have transferred to the suspense account only, isn't it? So from which only it is getting reduced. So now already purchase book is overcasted, so we have to give the rectification entry. So it should be credited to purchase account, So this is what the rectification entry if it is single-sided error. If it's two-sided error, what will happen? See, two-sided error, listen here, two-sided error will not affect the preparation of trial balance, so that we cannot reveal such error with the help of the trial balance. So the accountant would not have transferred the difference amount, any difference amount to the suspense account, because he must have not found any differences, because the trial balance will not show the two-sided error. So in that case, what will happen? We need to give the normal journal entry. I hope you can understand here. See, I just want to repeat once again. If it is single-sided error, there must be some differences in the preparation of trial balance. So the accountant would have transferred that difference amount to the suspense account. So it has to be reduced like this. So suspense account should be vanished by giving the rectification entry. When it comes to the two-sided error, the two-sided error would not show in the preparation of trial balance, isn't it? So you would not have transferred any difference amount to the suspense account. So here we need to give the rectification entry as usual, journal entry. Let us have an example. Sale of furniture of rupees 200. Sale of furniture of rupees 200 credited to the sales account. This is two-sided error. Okay, two accounts have affected. Okay, so the entry would be, first sales account should be reversed. So we have sales account always shows the credit balance. So here we have to debit the sales account. Sales account debtor 200. So here the actual entry would be sale of furniture, cash account debtor to furniture account, isn't it? So instead of crediting the furniture account, they have credited the sales account. So we have released, we have reversed, and now we are crediting the appropriate account to furniture account. So this is how we have to treat the two-sided error and single-sided error. After preparing the trial balance, okay, let us take a fourth case. That is, after preparing the final account, what will happen? If the suspense account shows the debit balance, at the preparation of final account, at the balance sheet, it will show on the debit side. Suppose if the suspense account, that is difference value, is on the credit side, the suspense account shows the credit balance, and that suspense account would show on the liability side of the balance sheet for that financial year. Okay, so the very next financial year, what will happen? Again, the error locating process would be continued. That time, what will happen? If the error was with the nominal accounts, then we can't even debit or credit the nominal account, because nominal account affects the P&L, that we have already prepared the P&L. So we can't even do anything. We can't even debit or credit the nominal account. In that case, what will happen? We have to open profit and loss adjustment account. Okay, since we have prepared the final account already, we can't even do anything with the nominal account, because nominal account, it will affect the P&L, trading and profit and loss account. So we cannot make any changes with that account. So we are preparing the profit and loss adjustment account. Suppose if the error is located with the personal or real account, that case we have to do the changes with that account itself. Okay, so if we are preparing the profit and loss adjustment account, if the error is located with the nominal account, what will happen? It will be finally balanced, and the difference amount is transferred to the capital account. That is how we have to treat the errors after preparing the final accounts. If before preparing the final accounts or after preparing the trial balance, so this is what the procedure. Because we haven't prepared the P&L yet, isn't it? So we have the time. So we can make the treatment like this. Suppose if we prepare the final account, then we can't do anything with the nominal account alteration. In that case, we have to go for the profit and loss adjustment account. That adjustment account is balanced, and the balance amount, the difference amount, is transferred to the capital account. That is how we have to treat the errors. I hope you must have understood. Thank you so much for watching.